This video explains how you can use split editor functionality in Visual Studio Code. So you can see here I have already opened Visual Studio Code, and I'm going to demonstrate how you can take the benefit of that split code editor feature. So let us say there are two files, and you want to work on the two files at the same time. So one way you can do is you can take two monitors, but let us say you have got just one monitor. In that case, you can use this split code editor write that button. So what happens is that, let us say you want to compare this file with other file. So go to this file, click on this one, and you can see this file is open on the right hand side. And now on the left hand side you can switch between different files like memory.cs or c, or say hello.cpp, and then you can compare these files like that. So it's very useful feature of the Visual Studio Code, especially if you are using single monitor. Thanks for watching this video.